Basil leaves are vibrant green, aromatic, and slightly sweet with a hint of peppery flavor. They are commonly used in Italian cuisine, particularly in pesto, salads, and garnish for various dishes. Basil is also known for its medicinal properties, including anti-inflammatory and antibacterial benefits. The leaves are best used fresh, but can also be dried or frozen for later use. Organic sage is a herb grown without synthetic pesticides, fertilizers, or genetically modified organisms, GMOs. It has soft, grayish-green leaves with a robust, earthy flavor and a slightly peppery taste. Sage is commonly used in culinary dishes, especially in stuffing, sausages, and savory sauces, adding depth and warmth to recipes. Additionally, it has medicinal properties such as anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial benefits. Organic sage ensures that you consume a pure, natural product free from harmful chemicals, making it a healthy choice for cooking and herbal remedies. Parsley is a bright green leafy herb widely used in culinary dishes for its fresh, slightly peppery flavor. There are two main types: curly leaf parsley, which has a ruffled appearance, and flat leaf or Italian parsley, known for its more robust flavor and flat leaves. Parsley is often used as a garnish, but also enhances the taste of salads, soups, sauces, and stews. Rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants, parsley offers numerous health benefits. It can be used fresh or dried and is a versatile addition to many recipes. Cinnamon is a fragrant spice derived from the inner bark of trees belonging to cinnamomum. It has a warm, sweet flavor with a slight spiciness, making it a popular ingredient in sweet and savory dishes. Cinnamon is commonly used in baking, desserts, beverages, and savory recipes like curries and stews. It also offers several health benefits, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Cinnamon is available in stick, quill form, or as a ground powder, which adds depth and warmth to various culinary creations. Thyme leaves are small, oval, and green. They have a potent, earthy aroma and a slightly minty, lemony flavor. Thyme is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, often used to season meats, soups, stews, and sauces. It is also valued for its medicinal properties, including antiseptic and antifungal benefits. The leaves can be used fresh or dried, with dried thyme being particularly robust in flavor. Rosemary is an aromatic evergreen herb with needle-like leaves and a woody stem. Known for its robust and pine-like fragrance and slightly bitter earthy flavor, rosemary is a staple in Mediterranean cuisine. It pairs well with roasted meats, potatoes, and pieces of bread, adding depth and aroma to dishes. Besides its culinary uses, rosemary has medicinal properties, including anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. It can be used fresh or dried and is often grown as a hardy, drought-resistant plant in home gardens. Microgreens are young vegetables harvested just after the first true leaves develop, typically 3 inches tall. They're packed with intense flavors and a high concentration of nutrients, often containing higher vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant levels than mature greens. Popular varieties include radish, arugula, basil, and cilantro. Microgreens are easy to grow at home, requiring minimal space and time. They're commonly used to enhance salads, sandwiches, soups, and garnishes with their vibrant colors and distinct flavors.